Taro for lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's probably New Year's or New Year's Eve when you see this episode, so happy New Year's again. We are here at the plantation harvesting some taro because we need some money. We got no money, so we're coming to harvest most of the plot or what's left of it. And you can see it's absolutely overgrown, and that's why there's a lot of pigs eating the taro. You can see in the back there. So we found one here. Almost, the pig almost ate it, but we were fortunate enough to be here in time. So see, I was just trying to harvest it without breaking it, so that we don't lose that taro as well. So yeah guys, I'm just going to take you through the harvesting, hopefully all the way up to the point when we are ready to take it to the market to sell. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. See you guys soon. From the pigs. They might be wondering, why is it so overgrown? Don't you have time to come look after, take care of this? Well, we do, but the problem is I have a 9-to-5 job as well, but that's why it's so busy with work, and at the same time no time to come do this. We've just got the kids finished from school, and that's why we've got them to help out. Are they almost done there with the taro? It's quite a huge taro if you see it. So we're just trying to save it so that we can use it to sell. Now you might be wondering why spent that effort in doing that, and the reason why is because although it's just one taro, but that taro adds value to the bundle, and hopefully takes it to 20 bucks. So yeah, put in the effort because effort was also put in to plant it. But we'll continue now.
Keep our heads up high.
guys, so sorry we lost track of time. We had to hurry back home not I think about 4 hours ago, but the sun was too hot, so waited until it rained a bit. So it's now 5:45. Finally came back with the kids to harvest the taro. You guys can see in the back there, it's a truckload of taro for the market tomorrow. So we'll go through it tonight and clean them. But yeah, very tired. Kaloi, Siave, and the Grinch. Alright fam, so we've harvested some of this plot. I think this plot is 95% done. Most of this entire block here and this one here is all done, which leaves us with 2 plantations left for the remainder of this year, and probably it'll take us to February next year. So we still got a lot of planting material. As you guys can see, so nothing to worry about. We'll definitely begin some plantations in January, but just selling off most of the taro because we need the money and the pigs are getting to it first. So it's not nice seeing your sweat eaten by the pigs. And over there, over there is our next plantation, which will be harvested, and we can harvest that in January, end of January towards Feb. Still a lot of time left. That plot has about close to 1,500 to 2,000 taro, but then as I mentioned, 80% was damaged by pigs, 70 to 80%. So that's about, so what, 70% of 2,000. Someone can quickly do the math for me. 717, 7214, 7214, and 32. Yeah, 7214, probably 600 taro left if I'm correct. But yeah. So that's the second to last plantation that's left. We're all wet at the moment. It was raining, but we had to wait for the rain because the sun is unbearable at the moment here in Samoa. It's just too hot. I was standing outside. Me and Siave were in the morning when we first began recording. You know, standing in the sun less than 2 minutes and already smelled like burnt toast. But we're just gonna head home now. Just gonna grab some drinks, some soft drinks, just for me and the kids for today's effort. But then we'll wait for the money from the taro tomorrow. And my wife and Siave are gonna go sell it and see if the kids and I get something. And now the tedious cleaning process. Waiting for the real boss's approval. Because the boss will be selling the taro. We just plant and harvest, and then the boss comes. Tugu, sige ka mo. Yeah. Ulo lai. So the wife got me and the kids some food, so we're just gonna have something to eat before we start cleaning the taro. Nice barbecue. just going to clean them up now, and then after cleaning, pack them back onto the truck for the market tomorrow. Alright, so now we're going to clean up the taro. Alright fam, so we're almost done. I'm gonna head down and take a shower because I've got an appointment with elders of the church, and then we'll check back afterwards. Alright guys, so we just finished a little meeting with the elders with our guidelines of the church, so I'll show you guys the taro that we finished, and then we'll end the episode. Alright guys, so we're finally done with the taro there. My wife and Sia will be going tomorrow to sell it. I'm going to head off to rest. I think we're all pretty tired today. But if you've enjoyed today's content guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel. Thank you again guys for the support. May you all have, apologies for that. May you all have a blessed and prosperous new year, and enjoy the festive season. We'll definitely catch you on our next episode. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe. See you guys.